If you want to permanently delete your Microsoft Teams account, follow these steps to ensure that your data and account are removed completely. Step 1. Sign into Microsoft accounts. Go to the Microsoft account sign-in page and log in using the credentials associated with your Teams account. Step 2. Access your account settings. Once logged in, navigate to the Your Info section. Here, you will find options related to your account settings and privacy. Step 3. Find the option to close your account. Look for the option that says Close your account. This may be located under Security or Privacy settings. Click on it to proceed. Step 4. Follow the closure process. You will be prompted to verify your identity and confirm that you want to close your account. Follow the on-screen instructions carefully, ensuring you read any warnings about data loss. Step 5. Confirm deletion. After completing the verification steps, confirm the deletion of your account. It may take some time for the account to be fully deleted, so be patient. Once you have completed these steps, your Microsoft Teams account will be scheduled for permanent deletion. Remember that this action cannot be undone, and all associated data will be lost.